of inquiry, if I may.
The lady may proceed.
Salamat po, Mr. President.
Assalamualaikum.
Inquiry, Mr. President. We'd like to clarify reports from the Senate media that verbal instructions were given to them to the effect that they would be limited from covering the session tomorrow. Ang sabi sa kanila, pwede kayo pero kailangan nakaupo. Ang kaso po, Mr. President, wala namang upuan. So para sa madami nating mga kaibigan sa media, parang hindi sila pinapahintulutan sa session hall, taliwas po sa tradisyon at nakasanayan. So, maaari po bang bigyan ng kalinawan, Mr. President, ang tanong na ito para on the record, madinig ng mga kaibigan nating mamamahayag at maiwasan ang kalituhan bukas, Mr. President.
Naipaliwanag na po sa kanila na nagkaroon ng hindi pagkakaunawaan kaugnay sa pahayag na binigay ng brief kanina. Rektang pinaliwanag yan ng Senate Secretary sa mga miyembro ng media na hindi totoo, hindi accurate at hindi naunawaan. Yung naunang sinabi ng brief, so wala pong ganon. Kung ano meron na yun, available din sa media yun, tulad ng ordinaryong araw at sila.
Salamat, Mr. President. So, ibig sabihin po, nakatayo man sila or nakaupo, ay papayagan po yung Senate media mag-cover sa session natin bukas ng hapon. Mr. President.
Usually members of the media cover the session from the media because from their office there at the media center because they get to see from all angles from cameras provided by PRIV what's going on in the session hall. They're usually not inside the session hall all the time.
Yes, I understand that, Mr. President, but given the importance of the debate tomorrow afternoon, kaya po hiniling lang ganitong kalinawan na papayagan po silang makapasok at makapag-cover ng session bukas ng hapon, Mr.
They
President.
can as they usually do, Your Honor, and I don't think there's any reason for us to limit or inhibit that.
Maraming salamat po, Mr. President.
Thank you, Mr. President.